Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. The channel name is JVLOGS. My name is Mark Plunkett and I'm a vlogger. I've been vlogging on YouTube for 5 months. 5 months. So my vlogs, they pretty much consist of me doing, fun stuff, with my friends, with my family. I do mini clips as well where I give advice and just talk about other topics. So on this channel you'll pretty much enjoy me being myself, me being original, crazy, fun loving, just having a good vibe. And yeah, you'll pretty much just enjoy it. So tune in, enjoy, subscribe. Remember to subscribe and share right down there. Yeah, JVlogs. You can add me on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, all those social network. I'm very easygoing, so you can talk to me about anything. So yeah, welcome, enjoy.